Imagine you add your idea that you want to post on LinkedIn in Google Sheets, and automatically a new post is created on your LinkedIn profile. Is this possible? Can this happen in real time? Yes, with the help of the setup that you can see on the screen, just by adding your ideas in Google Sheets, Gemini is going to take your idea and make your imagination into a post in your LinkedIn account. So now, first of all, let me show you how this setup is actually going to work. I will add in the caption as well as the image idea that I want to create the LinkedIn post of in the Google Sheets and check whether automatically a LinkedIn post is created or not. Okay, so let me add in the details first and show you. And you can see this is the idea that I've created. This is the entire caption that I wanted to post, the secret behind high converting meta ads campaign, and the image idea is meta ads dashboard showing high ROSA conversions and growing revenue. So you can see as I've added the caption and the image idea, now I will wait for the status of the spreadsheet of this specific idea to be written over here as created. And as the status will be updated as created in this spreadsheet, you can see it has been updated. If I'm going to open my LinkedIn profile and refresh the post section, you will see automatically a new post is going to be created right over here. You can see this is the image generated by Gemini with the Meta's dashboard showing the growth rate, and this is the exact same caption, the secret behind high converting meta ads campaign, most business things. You can see right over here, very nice caption has been written, and this image is generated by Gemini, and this image was posted directly on my LinkedIn profile. How did this happen? Gemini did all of this, and the setup that we have created in this video completed the entire process. You add in your idea in your Google Sheets, Gemini will create the image for you and create the post on your LinkedIn profile automatically. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the creation of this amazing setup of this Gemini AI agent. So I am creating this workflow using the software in the name of Pabbly Connect. Now Pabbly Connect creates such amazing automations without need of any coding, technical and programming skills. That is why we are using this software. I've been personally using the software for over years now. I've created 1,000+ automations using this amazing software. So you can trust on this and you can create automations as well without facing any problems. Now if you're coming to the landing page, search for pabbly.com/connect on a new tab. You will come to this page. Now if you're logging in for the first time, simply sign up for free from here. As you will do that, what is going to happen, you will receive 100 free tasks every month, and using the 100 free tasks you can create the automation right away. Now if you're planning to do so, and if you want to get unlimited tasks with the help of which you can create such amazing automations more frequently for your business, other use cases as well, you can purchase our yearly or lifetime plan. Now over here, if you're planning to do so, simply use the code that's on the left side of my screen. That will help you to save a lot of money. It will get you good discounts on the purchase. Go ahead, use the code. The same code is in the description section. Purchase our plans and automate the business workflows. I've already logged into my Pabbly Connect account. That is why I'm on the dashboard. Now after coming to the dashboard, to create a new automation, click on this create workflow button and select the option of create using quick builder right over here. Using this workflow builder type, you can give a simple prompt towards an AI. AI will analyze your prompt and generate the entire workflow for you. So exactly what I want, I will write over here as, so this is my requirement. I want that in Google Sheets, as I will add a new data, automatically Google AI Studio Gemini will generate an image according to the idea, and then in LinkedIn a post with the text image will be shared, and lastly the data will be updated back in Google Sheets. So this is my requirement. I will share this request towards this AI. It will analyze my request and ask me to select certain events. Now over here, let it analyze the entire request. It is asking that in Google Sheets, as soon as a new data will be added, automatically Gemini should generate an image, and then in my LinkedIn post a text image should be shared as a post. With that, lastly in my Google Sheets, the data should be updated. So I will approve, create and open the workflow from here, and you will find the template of the workflow is going to be created in front of you. If you want the free template of this workflow, you can check out the workflow link in the description section. Now over here we are going to set up the triggers. In my trigger Google Sheets near updated spreadsheet row, you will find a webhook URL using which we are going to create the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So simply copy copy the URL, open the spreadsheet that you have created. Go to Extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks and select the option of Initial Setup. Go to Extensions, Add-ons and Get Add-ons option. You will come to this window right here, where on the Search Apps bar section, you have to search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks and install this application inside Google Sheets to create the connection. After installing it for free, you have to go back and refresh the spreadsheet once. After refreshing the spreadsheet, what you have to do is go back to Extensions. Now you will see the option of what? Pabbly Connect Webhooks. From the drop down, select the option of Initial Setup. You will come to this dialog box. Now in the dialog box, it is asking for the webhook URL and the trigger column. For the webhook URL, I will paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us, and the trigger column says the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. In the spreadsheet, my final data column is column B. As soon as I will add in the idea, the caption in the idea should be forwarded towards this URL. That is why I'm going to write over here my trigger column as column B and click on this submit button, and it says setup configured successfully. Now go back, one last step is left. Go back to Extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks and select the option of Send on Event. It is mandatory to click on Send on Event because as soon as you will add in the new idea over here in the Google Sheets, automatically and instantly the spreadsheet is going to share that idea to Pabbly Connect. In the trigger, click on this recapture button right over here. It says waiting for webhook response. To check whether the connection is completed or not, I will add in a new caption as well as the image idea and check whether both the details is captured in the trigger as a response or not. So let me add in the details. So I've entered the details. This is the caption: why every business needs a strong digital presence in 2026. In 2026, customer will search online before making almost any buying decision. You can see right over here, this is my amazing caption, and the image idea is business surrounded by websites, social media SEO and AI marketing channels. So I've entered the caption and the idea. Let me go back to my trigger. You will see the response is also captured. In the response, it's the same image idea with the same caption you can see. So as now the response has been captured in the trigger, Google Sheets is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now let's connect Gemini to LinkedIn. For that, we are going to set up this action of Gemini. Click on this connect option, go towards this add new connection section, and we have to provide the API key. For that, go to this hyperlink directly of your Google AI Studio. You will come to the playground section, go towards this get API option, create the key from here, generate the key, copy the key from here, paste it down in the field, click on the save button and create the connection. I will select the existing connection that I've created from before directly. After that, we need to select the model as well as the method. For the model, for generating the image, I will be using Nano Banana Pro, and for the method, it will be generate content. Now after that, we need to provide a prompt. Now what is this prompt? Prompt is a text that you write to Gemini over here in the chat as well. Whatever you want, you write the chat over here. Gemini will generate the request that you have forwarded. That same prompt you have to enter over here in this field. Now for the prompt over here, I will write it as... So this is my prompt: create a premium, ultra realistic marketing image for digital marketing agency based on the following concept. I have to enter the idea of the image over here in this field. Now for the data of this field, I will map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Where I want to map the data, add a slash, previous step is going to appear, and over here we have to search for this specific idea. Now for this idea, I want to generate the image, so I'll select the idea from my previous response, which makes this idea mapped and dynamic. That means now whenever a new response will be captured in the previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. And this is the entire prompt that I have written right over here. If you want this entire prompt that I've written over here inside my Gemini, you have to comment down below, share me the prompt, and I will share you the prompt in the comment section itself. Okay, so now I have written this amazing build prompt. Now after that, simply I'm going to click on this even send test request button. Within 10 to 15 seconds, you will see an image URL will be generated by Gemini. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the kind of image that Gemini has generated for me, the URL that I have received. So I will wait over here for 10 to 15 seconds. As I've waited, the response is generated, and this is the URL that I've received. If I'll copy this URL and open it on a new tab, you will see according to what I wanted, this image is generated through Gemini. Now there is one problem. What's the problem? You can see the URL that is generated is a very long URL. LinkedIn don't accept such long URLs to create the post. So we have to shorten the URL So what I will do is we are going to add an action step after Gemini. Action application over here is going to be file uploader by Pabbly. Now I'm going to select it and the event is going to be upload file URL and get URL. Click on this connect option. For the file URL, I will map the date of this image, and for the name over here, I will map the date of the name that I've received in the Gemini step. After that, simply I'm going to click on the save and send test request button and I will receive a file URL, you can see, and this is way shorter URL than this one, right? So as we have received the URL, let's create a post on our LinkedIn profile. Click on this connect button, click on this add new connection option, click on this connect with LinkedIn button. Now after that, we have to enter the password of our LinkedIn account. So let me enter the password right over here and simply sign in, and as I will sign in, you will see automatically LinkedIn is going to be connected to Pabbly Connect. As now the connection is created, this is the author who is going to post the content on LinkedIn. For the file URL, map the date of this file URL that we have received in the file uploader step. For the text content, map the date of the caption that you have entered inside your Google Sheet step, and simply visibility is going to be public, and click on the save and send test request button. As soon as you will do that, you will receive a response like this where it says file uploaded successfully. That's a positive response. In the LinkedIn profile, if you'll refresh the page, you will see the same image with the caption that you've written in Google Sheets is going to be created as a post. And if we're going to tally the response, you will see right over here, this is the same image generated by Gemini with the same caption that I've written in my Google Sheets, why every business needs strong digital presence in 2026. As now this post is created successfully, now I want to update back my Google Sheets to this last step. Click on this connect option, go towards this add new connection section, click on the sign in with Google button, select the account with the help of which you have created your spreadsheet from here, and then it is asking for the permission for the account, for which I'm going to click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. For the spreadsheet, I will select it as LinkedIn post data and the sheet in the name of sheet 1, so I will select those details from here. Next, we have to enter the range with this format of column name and row index. So column where I want to update is column C, so I will write over here as manually column C and map the date of the row index next to it from my previous step. And for the value, I will update over here the value as created, okay, and click on this save and send test request button. Now if I'm going to open my Google Sheets, you will see the status is updated as created in my spreadsheet as well. Now as that is done, the entire setup is created. Now whenever you will add in the idea, you see the status updated as created automatically. Check your LinkedIn profile, you will see the post is also created with the help of Gemini AI agent. So this is how this entire setup is created without need of any coding and programming skills in few minutes. You will add in the ideas in Google Sheets. Gemini AI agent is going to create that idea as a post on your LinkedIn profile. Now if you want that without using Google Sheets as my trigger, you want every single day a LinkedIn post automatically through Gemini should be created, you need to comment down below that you need the video on that topic, and I'm going to create that video just for all of you. With that, if you have any questions or doubts related to this setup, or you want the prompt that I've used while using Gemini step, you need to comment down below and I will share you the prompt and answer your queries. Use the code that's on the left side of the screen to get instant and amazing discounts. The template link is also in the description section. Go ahead and use it and check it out. Okay, so this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.